enjoyed some of the new features coming out with the MākuSafe product because they're in line with how I want to be able to use the data to be able to tell a story.
But what I really enjoy doing is bringing my team here because we leave here with notebooks full of ideas and action items. We come here to learn, and we have learned a great deal about doing safety differently.
And I continue to be so impressed in this company that they invest in the product, they listen to the customers, and they're making it better and better. That really the future of safety is about understanding what workers are and what those risks and exposures are. I think it's a great and useful tool to help the future of safety.